Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can receive stickers from your friends in Monopoly Go. So, the way you receive stickers from your friends is by being their friend in Monopoly Go, and whenever they have duplicate stickers that they don't need, they can send you those stickers to help you out. Now, I am going to show you how they can do that. For example, in the bottom right, you have the album tab. The way they would send you the sticker is by clicking on that. Then they will see any of the collection of stickers that they have by clicking on each one of the either one of the collections. For example, Adventures of Thor. When they click on it, they will see exactly all the stickers that they have in that collection, guys. If they, for example, have a duplicate, for example, for the Colossal sticker, if they click on it, they will see a +1, +2, +3, however many duplicates they have of this sticker. They will see that number next to the sticker, and below that they will have a huge yellow button which says send to friend. Let me show you quickly what that looks like. And here's an example of what that sort of image looks like. As you can see, here's a sticker. This person has a duplicate of that sticker. They have one duplicate, so it's written +1. And then if they want to send it to you, they can click the send to friend button, and then they can send it to you if you are in their friends list. Whenever they click this button, they can choose any one of their friends, and if they choose you, you will receive that sticker, no problem, guys. If you are looking for any stickers that you might need, the way you can get them is by actually searching for friends in the official Monopoly Go Facebook group, through which you can find people to become your friends in Monopoly Go, and when they're your friends, they can send you the stickers if you need them and if you ask them nicely. Some might actually ask for sticker duplicates in exchange. If you have any duplicates that they need, you can give it to them, and then they will give them the duplicates you need. However, some just might be in the mood to help you, to assist you without any sort of compensation. So that's the way you can receive stickers, guys. I hope this video was informative and helpful to you. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.